So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cameron. Today I am at a different location. We are at Julie's parents' house and I'm going to put up a swarm trap and see if we can't get some nice strong feral bees. So that's what I'm doing today. So, can you pan round, darling? So, when bees are looking for somewhere to live, like I've said before, they're looking for something that they can grow into. So I'm going to use this big old smells like bees sort of thing, and it's got a bit of cavity, more than the frames, so hopefully it will be enticing to them. So I've already worked out where I am on the compass, and that's east, so I'm going to have it pointing semi that way. I've got to work this out, so just above that knot in the tree should work. Let's see what we're working with. Not working with that. Beautiful day. So it's gonna be just above that knot. I did it again. So above that knot, about there. Might only need one. Let's see. See what it's looking like. Definitely going to put two on. Where'd I put it? Oh. So all I'm going to put in this trap is some lemongrass. On a swab. Alrighty, let's secure it. We don't want it falling off. So I'll secure it to the tree and to these brackets. Alrighty, let's have a look. Well, that's just perfect. It is. Pointing in the right direction. Let's get a strap around the tree first. Ay, ay, ay. Right, baby, just give me a hand quickly. Make sure it's around, yeah. Right, you just hold that 1 second. Let me double check. Easy, that's, yeah. Grab my arm if you think you're gonna go. Hang on. What the hell have I done?
It's all twisted.
Oh, hang on. Let go. I've got it wrong. All right.
Got it?
I want to make sure. Yep. Oh, that's solid. Beautiful. That ain't going nowhere. So, a lot of people will say, oh, a swarm trap's got to be at least 9 feet up in a tree. That's this is not true. It's just not true. I don't want to be up on ladders. I want something that once this box has got bees in, it's heavy. I don't want to be on ladders. I just want to straight onto the back of a cart and away I go. So the whole 9 foot thing, sure, if you want to, but I'm not. So these are heavily waxed, and one of them that's in the centre has got some old comb, super interesting for the bees. So just some 100% lemongrass and bit on both sides. Pop that in the back. That's that.
Paint's coming off on this.
That'll last about 2 or 3 weeks. But we've gone into an early swarm season, so I'm hopeful. Okay, I need a hand again, baby. I'm gonna have to put the lid on and then strap it to the, yeah. In hindsight, I should have known that. So, pull it out a bit. No, is that on?
Yeah.
All right, now it's on. Just just pull that a little bit like that. Hold it up still, baby, please. Can you imagine trying to do this on your own, 9 foot up on a ladder? That just doesn't sound like fun at all to me. It doesn't. Can't, not enough. When I want to put the bees under as little stress as possible when I move it. So if I strap it now, all I've got to do is come, block the hole up, it's all ready to go, and I don't have to mess around as much with it, sort of thing. Make sure I'm strapping it to them as well. Oh wait, falling over. So, excuse me, one swarm trap, facing east. We've got plenty of room in front of it and around it, and hopefully we'll catch some bees. Alrighty, what do you think? Beautiful, it's a thing of beauty, isn't it? Eh? Guys, that's all I've got for you today. Swarm Trap 101, super easy, free bees, we like free bees. Thanks for your subscriptions, thanks for your comments, your likes. If you haven't hit the notification button, smash that. It takes 5 seconds to hit the subscription button, and all day today it's absolutely free. So hit that subscription button. In the meantime, I will see you on the next video.